Let me show you how to make over $20 per hour for just talking with your phone. You don't need fancy setup. All you need is your phone, your natural conversation, and a little bit of time. And you can repeat the process every 1 hour. Now, the way you talk on WhatsApp with your friends is the same way you earn on this platform, and it is legit. Without wasting time, let me show you how it works. We'll go to our browser, and I'm using Chrome browser, and you will now search for Leo AI. Now, when you search for this Leo AI, is a platform for training AI. So definitely your voice will be used to train AI model. So you have to give them consent. So we are going to click on this first one here, known as Leo AI AI training data marketplace. So we click on it. Now this is the interface of the platform. So you need to register, but because I've already registered, you see sign out. So let me sign out and show you how to register. So this is how the platform looks like. When you come to the platform, you will see this place called sign in and sign up. So you click on sign up, and when you are signing up, what you need to do here is to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your age range, and your gender, and you click continue. So for me, I've already signed up, so I will click on sign in. And signing in here, I will need to enter my email, and they will need to send me a magic link where I will log in from. So let me enter my email, and then I will have to go to my email and log in with the magic link. What I'll need to do here is to click sign in. So you can see this is the email I have got. I will click on sign into Leo. So, and you can see I have successfully signed in. This is where you need to be very careful, because there are two options here. When you click on browse tasks, you are going to see a lot of tasks at this place. Now, you are not just going to do anyhow tasks. You are going to select this English conversational audio, any accent, and you can see they are willing to pay $19.80 per hour, which is over $20. So we'll click on it, and you are going to read their guidelines, because you must meet their guidelines. And what is this guideline? You are going to invite another partner who is already registered on the platform. You are going to use their username and invite them, and then both of you must join a session, like a call, and you people have to talk naturally. It's a natural conversation, and then both of you get paid. So it is a win-win situation. And here, any language, you can see the language here, any accent can be British accent, Indian accent, American accent, whichever accent. So when you go through the guideline, what you need to do next is to click start record. And when you click on the start record, you will be required to enter the username of your friend, and then you also be required to give consent. So what you need to do here is to click I'm ready, and when you click I'm ready, this timer will start counting down, and definitely your voice will be recorded. And at the end of the day, the audio clip is going to be reviewed, and if it is approved, you get paid over $20. Now, this is not a quick rich scheme, and this is how I was able to get my $20. You can make your research. The platform is legit. share this video so that others can benefit. And if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button for more amazing video on how to make legit money online and how to grow your YouTube channel faster. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Have a nice time.